Fine. Thank you, Ankur, Anuradha, and Nikhil. So myself is Sai On, and I'm into Salesforce last 10 years. I'm working as a corporate trainer for Cognizant. Okay. So let us start the class. So before I start the session, let me ask a simple question here. Tell me, any one of you, what is Salesforce? Is everyone can view my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Good. Guys, I'm going to discuss total 6 modules in your syllabus. First, let me discuss about the syllabus, what I'm going to cover. Okay. Guys, total 6
Okay, sir.
modules I'm going to cover. One is configuration, first module. Second one, development. Integration. Administration. CRM. And lightning. So these are the 6 modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus. Guys, your duration is 3 months. It takes 3 months time to complete the syllabus. Every day, 1 hour class. That is from Monday to Saturday. So it takes 3 months time to complete the syllabus. And every day I will provide the running notes. And also we will provide the class recordings. And also finally, I'm going to give the project. And after project, I will provide some interview questions. Okay. So these are the things I'm going to provide from my side. Okay. Fine. So before I start the session, let me ask a simple question. Tell me, any one of you, Anuradha, Ankur, and Akhil. Akhil or Nikhil? What is your name? Nikhil. Nikhil and Vaibhav. Tell me, what is Salesforce? Any one of you?
It is a company, sir.
Yeah, it is a company.
It is a product-based company.
Exactly.
Which works on concept of cloud computing.
Yeah, very good. So, did you listen my YouTube recordings?
Yes, sir. I listen.
Okay, thank you. So, Salesforce is a product-based company. Product-based companies can also be called as vendor companies. Actually, in IT industry, we have 2 types of companies, guys. One is product-based company, and the second one is service-based companies. The difference between these 2 companies, I will discuss later. Product-based companies are like, SAP, Microsoft, Oracle, Google. All these comes under what here? Product-based companies. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. And this company's CEO is Mark Benioff. And this company runs on the concept name is called cloud computing. Tell me, any one of you, what is cloud computing? Okay, I will discuss after some time regarding what is cloud computing. First, let me discuss about product-based companies. SAP, Microsoft, Oracle, Google, Salesforce, like these are all product-based companies. Salesforce company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. The company CEO is Mark Benioff, and this company runs on the concept called cloud computing. Product-based companies are those companies that develop their own software products. Like they're having its own operating systems, they develop their own programming languages, and also they develop their own technologies. They develop their own applications. They develop their own packages. Okay, they develop their own database products. Understand? Come on, guys. So these are all product-based companies. These companies are develops what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, some technologies, applications, packages, database products. These are all developed by product-based companies. Suppose take the example of SAP company. This company developed one programming language. This programming language name is called, I hope all of you know about this programming language name, ABAP. Yes or no? Nikhil? ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming, just like Java. This programming language developed by vendor company, that is SAP. Like Microsoft company developed so many products. Okay, Windows. It's an operating system. Yes or no? Come on. Like that. MS Office. It is a package. VC++. It's a programming language. Yes or no? SQL Server. It's a database product. Like that, Microsoft company product developed operating systems, packages, databases, programming languages. It's all developed by Microsoft company. Coming to Oracle company, developed their own database product. That is Oracle. Google company developed their own application. What is application here? Gmail. So Gmail is an application developed by Google company. So according to this point, what you understand is vendor companies, product-based companies develop their own software products. Okay, like operating systems, programming languages, databases, and all. Using these products, service-based companies like, Cognizant, Wipro, TCS, Accenture, so many companies are there, like Capgemini. These companies can be called as service-based companies. These are the companies are, okay, develop software applications as per the, requirement of whom here? Clients. So there are basically two types of companies in IT industry. One is product-based companies. Second one is what here? Service-based companies. Product-based companies develop their own products. Using these products, development companies or service-based companies develop what? Software applications as per the requirement of, clients. Who are the clients here? Who are the clients here? So clients are nothing but business people. Yes or no? Come on, guys. Okay, some people doing banking business, some people doing insurance business, some people doing hotel, some people doing education business, and some people doing hospital business. And some people doing automobile business. Some of them doing telecom. Okay, these are different kinds of businesses in the market. Suppose ICICI Bank, HDFC comes under what? Banking. Okay, LIC of India belongs to insurance. Hotel ITC Kakatiya and Taj Group of Hotels belongs to hotel business. Education, Stanford University, JNTU. These people comes from education. Hospital, Apollo. Okay, we have something called, K hospitals. They are into hospital business, automobile, Maruti Suzuki, Toyota, Hyundai. So these are all comes under what? Automobile. Coming to Geo, Telecom, Geo, Airtel, Vodafone Idea, BSNL. These are all comes under telecom business. So I can say these are the business people, and these people are using software applications in their business. So total IT industry, we have three important persons are there. How many persons here? Product-based companies, service-based companies, and clients. So what is the relation between all the three people? Guys, product-based companies are developing what? Their own products, software products. Using these products, service-based companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of clients, and clients are the business people. They are using software applications in their business. So this is the relation between all the three people. Understand, Nikhil?
Yes.
Anuradha? And rest of all the people,
Ye-
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Good. But what is my question is, what are the advantages of using software applications in the business? Why the clients are using software applications in the business? The advantages of using software applications, basically, first advantage is it saves your time. What is this? If you are using software application in your daily life, automatically it saves your time, yes or no? For example, Nikhil, you are living in Hyderabad, I am living in Pune. Suppose you and myself both are the friends. Okay, Nikhil? Hello.
Yes. Yes.
I am living in Pune and you are living in Hyderabad. You are my friend. Suppose I am talking about near about 25 years back or 20 years back. Okay, you are living in Hyderabad. So you have the account in State Bank of India, and I have the account in maybe Punjab National Bank, PNB. So 20 years back, one fine morning, suppose you called me, you want to transfer some amount into your account. So if you want to transfer some amount to your account, so I need to go to the Punjab National Bank. Here I need to take some withdraw form. Yes or no? I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. They given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I can withdraw some amount. Then again, I need to go to State Bank of India. Here I am going to take some deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. Then I can deposit some amount in your account. Tell me in this particular example, all of you, how many banks I need to visit? 2 different banks I visited. So if I want to perform this particular transaction, okay, at least it takes minimum 1 to 1.5 hour time. So yes or no, Nikhil, Anuradha, and rest of all the people.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes or no? That is long back story. That is 20-25 year back story. But today morning, suppose he called me. He want me to transfer 10,000 rupees. I no need to go to bank. Simply I open my mobile. I have Phone Pay, I have Google Pay, I have GPay. So many things are there. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, sir.
I have Paytm, I have net banking, I have mobile banking. So many things are there here. Yes or no? So using Phone Pay, I can easily transfer the funds from my account to your account within a fraction of seconds. Yes or no? I no need to go to the banks. Tell me, what is Phone Pay? What is Paytm? What is net banking? These are all what? Software applications or not? Come on, guys. These are all software applications. If I'm using software application, I can easily, okay, do my work without wasting much time. In this way, I can save my time or not. Come on, guys. Yes or no? Nikhil, Anuradha, rest of all the people. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Respond immediately. Anuradha, Nikhil, Alekhya,
Hmm.
okay. Vaibhav, Ankur, okay. Fine. Thank you. Yeah, Suraj Dubey and Vaibhav. Okay, Vaibhav, I understand your problem. No problem. Suraj Dubey, after completing this course, where can I apply? I'll tell you. Suraj, please wait. Let me discuss about this point first, okay? Suraj? According to this example, what you understand is, okay, we can easily perform the transaction without wasting much time. That is the first advantage of using the software application. Second advantage, security. Security is also very important, right? Tell me, nowadays, everything is a cashless transaction, right? Nowadays, everything is what? Come on. Cashless transactions. Accepted or not? All of you. Suppose I want to pay the phone bill. I want to pay the current bill. I want to book a gas cylinder. Okay, or I want to buy something in the supermarket. I no need to carry the cash in my pocket. Yes or no? Every bill, everything I can pay through what? Online. Okay, the people are not using cash in their pockets. Okay, hardly we are using cards, either debit card or credit card. Once you do not carry the cash in your pocket, so indirectly you're getting the security for your cash. Yes or no? Because the people are mostly depending on what? All these applications. Every transaction you can perform through PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm and all, right? Yes or no? Again, what are all these? These are all software applications. So if you're using software applications, you can also get what? Security. And the third advantage is scalability here. What is the meaning of scalability? Scalability means what? Again, same point. My friend Nikhil living in Hyderabad and I am living in Pune. I want to transfer 10,000 rupees into my friend's account around 20 years back. Okay, I have the account in Punjab National Bank. I withdraw 10,000 from my account. If I want to deposit into my friend's account, I need to travel all the way from Pune to where? Hyderabad. Nikhil, where are you living in Hyderabad? Which place?
Uppal.
Uppal. Okay,
Yeah.
suppose you have the account in SBA Uppal branch. Which branch? Uppal branch. Okay. So I have to travel all the way from Pune to where here? Hyderabad. I need to go to Uppal branch. There only I can deposit the amount. Why? Because 20, 30 years back, every bank, every branch working independently. One bank is nowhere related to other bank. One branch is nowhere related to another branch. But once software came into the market, okay, we can integrate all the branches. We can integrate all the banks across the globe. Understand everyone in the class? That is called scalability. That is called scalability. Okay. So we can achieve the scalability. We can get the security. We can save your time with the help of what? Software applications. Is all of you understand all the three advantages? Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Nikhil, Vaibhav, rest of all the people, Ankur, Anuradha, good. So these are the three major advantages: time saving, scalability, and what? Security. Now, this is one side of the coin. And the other side, we have so many difficulties also there while using what? Software applications. What are the difficulties of using software applications? If you understand the difficulties, then only you can understand the advantage of cloud computing. That is why, first let me discuss about what are the difficulties of using software applications, how those difficulties we can overcome with the help of cloud computing technology. Okay, that is a point I'm going to discuss next half an hour. Okay, guys. So till now, whatever points we discussed, is all of you understand all the 3 points? Come on, Nikhil, Ankur.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good, good. Anuradha, fine. So now I'm going to discuss about the difficulties. What are the difficulties? So far we discussed about advantages. Now I'm going to discuss about the difficulties. What are the difficulties of using software applications? Listen carefully and try to understand this. Suppose I'm a business person. I have a company. My company name is called, suppose, XYG company. What is my company name here? XYG company. And this company is going to start maybe next year. That is why for my company activities, I need some, some software application. So I given this project to develop the project for my company. I given this project to a company called TCS. So what is TCS here? It's a development company, service-based company. Yes or no? Come on. Development company, service-based company, both are same. It's a development company. And TCS need to develop the application as per the client requirement, XYG company. So here, what is XYG company? Is a client. So TCS, development company. What is the relation between these two people? TCS development company need to develop the application as per the requirement of the clients. That is XYG company. Here I'm going to ask a question. If TCS wants to develop the application as per the company requirement or client requirement, TCS need minimum 3 things to develop any application. Minimum 3 things. Minimum 3 things are required. What are those three things? Well, one is what? One programming language is required. And also they need one database. And also they need some, operating system. So without programming language, without database, without operating system, no development company can develop the application or project according to the client requirement. Yes or no? They need programming language, they need some database, and also they need some operating system. So in this particular example, TCS wants to develop the application using a programming language called, suppose, ABAP. ABAP is a programming language. It is developed by a vendor company. That vendor company is called what here? SAP. SAP is a vendor company. It's a German-based company. They are having its own programming language. That language name is called ABAP. Using ABAP programming language, TCS is going to develop the application as per the client requirement. And coming to the database, they want to store the company information. If they want to store the company information, they need some database. And in this example, TCS using backend database, Oracle. So Oracle database developed by which company? Come on, guys. Oracle company.
Oracle.
Okay. And also they need operating system. Without operating system, system cannot run. Yes or no? That is why they want to use Windows operating system. It is developed by Microsoft vendor company. Now TCS need to buy original licensed software. TCS need to buy original licensed software from all 3 vendor companies. TCS is not supposed to use duplicate software. They need to buy original software. They need to buy original license from vendor companies. Understand, all of you? They are not supposed to use any duplicate software to develop the application. Understand? So here, ABAP programming language cost approximately 10 lakhs. Oracle database approximately, 15 lakhs. Microsoft Windows operating system cost approximately how much? 5 lakhs. So total 10 plus 15 plus 5, total 30 lakhs invested by TCS. They bought all 3 products from 3 vendor companies. Using all the 3 products, development company TCS develop the application as per the client requirement. So TCS takes near about one year time to develop the application, to develop the project. They test the project, they test the application, they deploy the application at the client place. And tomorrow, this company employees are going to use the application. If they want to use the application, even client systems also should require what? Windows operating system, backend database, they need to use Oracle database, and also they should require what? Java programming language. Without having these three softwares, this application cannot run on client systems. Yes or no? Speak out, all of you. Let us assume client system contains maybe Linux operating system. If it is Linux operating system, is this application can run on Linux operating system? Come on, guys. No, because this application developed on which operating system? Windows, right? That is why even client also need to buy all the three products from all three vendor companies. Here also client need to invest how much here? Approximately, come on, 30 lakhs. So 30 lakhs invested by TCS company in this example, and another 30 lakhs also invested by XYG company client. So total 60 lakhs business, total 60 lakhs business, total 60 lakhs business coming to, total 60 lakhs business coming to, come on, vendor companies.
Vendor.
Understand the point, all of you? 60 lakhs business coming to vendor companies. That is why among these three people, first person client, second person development company, and who is the third person in IT industry? Come on, guys. Vendor companies. Clients, development companies, vendor companies. The whole game is rotating between all the three people only. In IT market, in IT sector, we have only three people: clients, development companies, and vendor companies. The complete game is rotating between all the three people. So vendor companies develop their own products. Using those products, development companies are developing the applications as per the requirement of clients, and clients are using the applications in their business. But among these three people, clients, development companies, and vendor companies, among these three people, vendor companies getting more business, more profit comparatively clients and development companies. That is why vendor company owners are the richest persons in the world. Accepted, all of you, or not? Come on. I can say vendor company owners are the richest persons in the world. If you type top 10 billionaires in the world, top 10 billionaires in the world, if you type in the Google, out of 10 people, minimum 3 to 4 people, 3 to 4 persons belongs to, come on, vendor companies only. Tell me, who is Bill Gates? Microsoft owner, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is Larry Ellison? Oracle company owner. Who is Mark Zuckerberg? Come on. Facebook. Tell me, Microsoft, Oracle, Facebook, these are all vendor companies or not? Come on, guys, speak out. Everyone in the class. Okay. So, Alekhya, Ankur, Anuradha, Nikhil, and Vaibhav. I hope you understand this. Alekhya, can you
Yes, sir.
Ankur understand? Alekhya understand? Anuradha understand? Nikhil, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. So please respond immediately guys, so that I can understand you follow my class. Tell me if I'm going fast, please tell me. Am I going fast?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
It's
Okay.
good.
Shall I go the same pace?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Thank you. That is why vendor companies people are the more richest fellows in the world. Why? Because they're getting more business, more profit comparatively clients and development companies. Understand? Good. That too, we are in software field. Actually, we are in software field. In the software field, you know, software versions, product versions keep on changing. Yes or no? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Whenever a version will change, accordingly, we need to upgrade the software, right? So whenever we upgrade the software, again, we have to install the software in new systems. And also we have to maintain the software. Maintain the software means what? Okay, every client and development companies, they need to maintain their own database servers. They need to maintain their own application servers. They need to maintain their own, networks. They need to maintain their own firewalls. Am I correct or not? Come on, it's all comes under what here? Maintenance. So the major difficulties of using software applications are both clients and development companies. They need to keep on upgrading the software. And also they have to keep on installing the software. And also they need to maintain the software. Clear all of you? Maintain the software means they have to maintain their own database servers. They have to maintain their own application servers. And also they have to maintain their own networks and firewalls. It's all comes under what? Maintenance. So upgradation, installation, maintenance. Okay. It leads to upgrade plus install plus what? Come on. Maintenance. It leads to increase the, come on, what is this? Setup cost. It leads to increase the setup cost. All of you understand? Because of the cost, heavy cost, okay, only top level companies are using software applications, but not small or medium level companies. Only because of this cost, only top level companies are using software applications in their business, but not small companies or medium level companies. Okay, for your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example. Look at this and try to understand. You people know about KFC. And this KFC, I'm comparing with a small bakery. KFC bakery, I'm going to compare. Tell me, among these two companies, KFC is a big company comparatively bakery. Yes or no? Come on.
Yes,
Because
sir.
KFC has lots of branches across the world. Suppose I go to the KFC, I ordered one burger. See, if I ordered one burger, there is a person who is standing or sitting in front of the system. He feeds my order into the system and he given some token, printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Tell me, if you go to the KFC or McDonald's, this kind of restaurants, if you go, okay, there you can see computers. Yes or no? Come on, guys. And also they're having its own application to run the business. Correct or not? Come on, speak out. If you go to the KFC, there you can see computer, right? And also inside the computer, there is applications running. Okay. And that application shows what kind of, items are available. If you order anything, that order he can feed. He can see, he given some printed token to you. They given some order to you. Yes or no? Come on, speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I'm going to the bakery, small bakery is there in Pune. Same burger I ordered in the bakery. The bakery owner does not maintain any kind of computers, does not maintain any software inside the system, right? Why KFC using software application to run his business, run their business, and why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe. Hundreds of thousands of branches are there. KFC company turnover in crores. Correct or not? KFC company turnover in crores. But whereas bakery, only one branch. Yes or no? So bakery turnover maximum in thousands, right? Tell me, among these two companies, KFC have more business than bakery. That is why KFC people, I can say it's a top company. This kind of companies are using software applications. Why not bakery? Because bakery, they cannot afford what? Small business, they cannot afford the setup cost. That is why they do not use software applications to run the business. So according to this example, what I understand is only big companies are using, only top level companies are using, or only premium level companies are using software applications in the business, but not small companies. Why small companies or medium level companies are not using software applications in the business? Because they cannot afford what? Setup cost. All of you understand? They cannot bear what? Setup cost. That is why they do not use what? Software applications in their business. Understand everyone in the class? But here I'm going to ask a simple question. Listen carefully, all of you, and try to understand what I'm asking. Tell me, in the world, small companies are more or big companies are more? Hello, can you hear me? Guys, all of you understand my question?
Yes, yes. Small companies are more.
Small companies are more, big companies are more. Anuradha, Ankur, Nikhil.
Small companies are more.
Small companies are
Small
more,
com-
yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is why if small companies also going to use software applications in their business, then automatically vendor companies getting more business and more profit, right? Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, why small companies or medium level companies are not using software applications? Because they cannot afford what? Setup cost. Understand? Can you hear me? Suppose if you reduce the cost, then automatically, okay, customers will increase, yes or no? Come on, guys, speak out. You reduce the cost, then automatically what happens? Customers will increase, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I bought a t-shirt, costs around 5,000. My t-shirt cost is 5,000. Tell me how many people can afford this 5,000 rupees t-shirt cost? Out of 5,000 rupees cost, out of 100 people, maybe 10 people can afford this, yes or no? 10 into 5, 50,000 business will get this company. Suppose if the company reduces the price from 5,000 to 2,000 rupees, out of 100 people, maybe 80 people, understand, can buy this cost, can buy this particular company product. Then automatically company will get how much profit, how much business revenue? 1,60,000. It means that if you reduce the cost from 5,000 to 2,000, number of customers are increasing. If number of customers will increase, then automatically you'll get more business and more profit, right? Come on, guys, speak out.
Yes, sir.
So here also, if you reduce the cost, then automatically small companies and medium level companies also going to use what? Software applications in their business. But how to reduce the cost? So this is the question arises in the vendor companies owners. So vendor companies, that is why to reduce the cost, that is why vendor companies come up with a new concept. Name is called something. What is this? Come on. Cloud computing. You understand what I'm speaking here, guys? Hello? What is the concept?
Yes, sir.
They come up with what? New concept name is called cloud computing. And this cloud computing reduces the cost. Okay. And what is cloud computing? How cloud computing is reduce the cost? Okay. What are the advantages of cloud computing? All these topics I will discuss in tomorrow's session. Understand everyone in the class? So last 50 minutes, we just discussed about these points. Let me recap all the points once again. Let me recap all the points once again. Okay. What is Salesforce? What are the advantages of using software applications? What are the difficulties of using software applications? Okay. So these are the 3 points in today's class we discussed. Understand, Ankur, Anuradha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So what is Salesforce here? Salesforce is a vendor company. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California. And what are the major advantages? 3 advantages we discussed. First advantage is what? Time saving. Second advantage, security and scalability. And what are the difficulties? Difficulties is what? Tell me. Every time both clients and development companies need to keep on. What is this? Updating
Upgrade
this,
installation.
install and maintain
Maintenance.
majorly maintain the software. This is major problem. On there? Come on. Am I clear, all of you? These are the difficulties. It leads to increase what? It leads to increase the setup cost. Understand? So this setup cost we can reduce, we can overcome with the help of what? Cloud computing. So regarding cloud computing, what is cloud computing? I'll discuss in tomorrow class. Understand, Anuradha and Ankur?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah.
So regarding all these points, if you have any doubts, you can ask the questions, please. Come on. Any doubts?
No, sir. Clear.
Thank you. Ankur, what about you?
Yes, sir. I'm good, sir.
Okay, thank you. So I'll catch you tomorrow, same time at 6 o'clock. And tomorrow I will start with what is cloud computing. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.